So today I'm going to show you guys how to partition your disk into desirable storage size. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your start menu and then type in computer management. Click here. This window will pop up. So here on the left you have to look for disk management. Click on it, wait for some time to load, and then look for the drive that you want to partition. For me, I want to partition my drive D. Okay, right click on it, go for shrink volume, wait for some time, and then let me show you. It is asking for enter the amount of space and shrink in MB. Okay, so let's see. I want to have a drive with 8 GB, so that is equivalent to 8,000 megabytes. So copy this one, go back to this, and then paste it here. As you can see, 8 GB. So press shrink. As you can see, a new location is allocated for us, so we have to right click on it, new volume, and then this window will pop up. Press next, press next, keep this as default. So this is like where you can put later for your drive, so I'll keep it F as a default. And in this part you have to select format this volume with the following settings. So I'll keep it in DFS default, and this is where you can label your drive. For example, I will label it as movies. I want to keep movies into this drive, so I'll just type in movies, press next. This is a description of your new drive, so press finish. As you can see, a new drive is already created, so let's check if it's there or not. Menu, look for this PC. As you can see, new drive is created with the name of movies and the label of F and as 8 GB. So if you want to delete this drive, you don't want it anymore, make sure you make a backup of this drive and then go back to disk management and then look for the disk that you created, right click and press delete volume. As you can see, it asks you to back up, so you have to be backing up before doing this, so press yes here. As you can see, already deleted. So now right click on a drive that has more storage size. So on this one, which is 900, I'll right click and then press on extend volume, next, finish. So that's it. Let's check if the drive is deleted or not. PC, yes, the drive movie is already deleted. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for listening.